This is the KAWES Digital Foldable Piano, available in 61 or 88 keys. A modern solution for musicians who want both convenience and performance. It comes with multiple input and output options, giving you flexibility to connect headphones, speakers, or even your computer. And with its smart folding design, it's easy to carry anywhere you go. It also includes a microphone, so you can play and sing at the same time, turning practice into a complete performance experience. Each set also includes an extra cable and a charger. A music stand is also included. And with its built-in buttons, you can explore a wide range of tones and rhythms, making every performance unique. With semi-weighted full-size keys, the KAWES delivers a realistic playing experience anytime, anywhere. And when you're done, simply press the folding button, and it folds neatly in seconds. Portable. Practical. Always ready. Get your own KAWES Digital Foldable Piano today. Check the link in the description.